Hello friends, have you read the book The Secret? Do you know the fact that 3.5 crore copies of this book has been sold out all over the world? What is the secret of The Secret? I would like to tell you the fact that the theme of the book is there is no secret to secret. Like attracts like is the theme of the book. If you emit positive thought or positive energy, definitely positive things will happen in your life. And if you emit negative thought, negative things will happen in your life. This book says how our thought becomes our action, how our thought becomes our things in life. This book emphatically says fake it and make it. The book is based on the law of attraction. By the way, what do you mean by law of attraction? The law of attraction means positive things, positive thoughts bring positive things in your life, and a negative thought brings negative things in your life. The law of attraction is based on the Vedantic philosophy rooted in Indian tradition. In Upanishad, it has been said that as is the thought, so is the action, and as is the action, so is the person. Or in other words, I can say, my mind is my best friend and my mind is my worst enemy. How mind is my best friend? The moment you think positively, I think positively, obviously our mind becomes our best friend. And while we think negatively, our mind becomes our worst enemy. By applying law of attraction, you can manifest your desires. There is an interesting story related to law of attraction in Vedantic literature. Before telling the story, first I am telling you this book, The Secret, written by Rhonda Byrne, is emphatically telling about the consequences of positive thought. Right now come to the story. One day a man desired to reach in the heaven. It's narrated in Vedantic philosophy. So he started his journey, reached there in heaven. After reaching in heaven, he felt very tired and sleepy. So he wanted to take some rest. As soon as he wanted to take rest, obviously a beautiful cot having a comfortable cushion reached near him. He slept on the cot. Slept for some time. While he got up, he felt very hungry. While he felt very hungry, he wanted to eat some food, and he wanted to eat very tasty, delicious food. And as per his thought, obviously very tasty food reached near him and he started eating. Once his stomach is filled in, right now he wanted to drink some alcohol. As per his wish, very good alcohols also reached near him. He drank it. He again slept. While he slept, in the sleep, he desired to experience a dream. As soon as he desired to experience a dream, he started dreaming. In dream, he wanted to see a ghost. Obviously, a ghost came. After seeing the ghost in the dream, he felt horrified. He felt as if the ghost is killing him. And all of a sudden, a ghost came and killed him. He went to heaven, the place where everything happens as per the thought of the person, as per the desires of the person. But he could not stay happily in heaven because he thought negatively. That's the reason the negative things happened in his life. Our Vedantic literature says, whether you know the law of attraction or not, it works upon you just like the law of gravitation works upon a person who does not know about the law of attraction. Here, I would like to tell you, in fact, all the great historical personalities from the world, starting from Socrates to Shakespeare, starting from Newton to Napoleon, starting from Alexander to Akbar the Great, starting from Kalidas to Kamban, Shankaracharya to Shah Jahan, Valmiki to Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the former Prime Minister, owed their greatest achievement to the understanding of law of attraction. Anything that you see to be existing on the surface of the earth, I would like to tell you the fact that, first of all, it was constructed in the mind of the person, then it was constructed on the surface of the earth. Here arises the moot question, how to apply the law of attraction in matter of your success. In IS exam, first you believe that the universe gives you the things that you pray to the universe very sincerely. You just make an experience, make an experiment today, right now. Just right now, very sincerely, you pray to the universe to see a butterfly. And I am sure, within 24 hours of your sincere desire to see a butterfly, obviously your desire will be manifested and you would be able to see a butterfly whether you are sitting in your bedroom or drawing room or balcony or in park, that doesn't matter. Just pray to the universe right now after listening this video, watching this video, very sincerely pray to the universe and your desire will be manifested. At the end, I would like to tell you the fact that if you want to become successful in life, if you want to become successful particularly in IS exam, then you have to apply 3 fundamental principles of a law of attraction. First is principle of visualization, second is principle of verbalization, and third one is principle of materialization. What is principle of visualization? Very sincerely you visualize the fact that you have become IS. Make it a routinized fact. Make it a habit that every day before going to the bed in the night and early morning before getting up from the bed, you visualize that the universe has cooperated with you in matter of becoming IS, means you have already become IS. And then you verbalize that thing, you utter, you pray to the universe by saying, thank you universe, I am immensely grateful to you for making me IS. Or every day morning while you get up from the bed, you extend this type of thankfulness to the universe by saying that you are grateful to universe because universe has cooperated you, gifted you in matter of success in IS exam. If you do it repeatedly, regularly, every day, early in the morning and in the night before going to the bed, then because of this visualization and verbalization of your success in IS exam, a time will come that your thought will be manifested, your desire will be manifested, and your dream will be materialized. At the end, I would like to tell you the fact that really the universe is having endless magnitude of boundless potential to give you the gift of whatever desires you are having in your mind. So very sincerely you visualize about your success, you verbalize about your success, and time will come that your dream will be manifested and your desire will be materialized. This is all about the video. And again, I would like to tell you the fact that make it a habit every day, and from today onward, the rest of your life will become the best of your life, and seasons of change will take place in your life, and drastic and dramatic transformation will take place in your life. This is the essence of the book Secret, which says there is no secret to secret. What you desire, your desire will be manifested, provided you have a strong determination. Because there is a saying that people with strong determination can construct oceans of bridges of stones over the ocean. Do it from today onward. Wish you all the best. Thank you.